Imagine living in a world with no schools, no science, no biology, no words for reproduction, and no idea where babies come from. A woman in your tribe suddenly becomes pregnant. Her body changes over months. Her stomach grows larger and larger. Then, one night, surrounded by firelight and terrified faces, another human being appears out of her body. To us, this seems normal, obvious even, but for most of human history, humans had absolutely no scientific understanding of pregnancy at all. And yet, somehow, our ancestors eventually figured it out. But how? How did the first humans realize that sex creates babies? Who noticed it first? And maybe the strangest question of all, how long did it take humanity to understand the connection? Because unlike fire, or tools, or hunting, reproduction hides itself. The cause and the effect are separated by nearly an entire year. If you touch fire, you get burned immediately. If you fall from a cliff, you die immediately. But pregnancy? Pregnancy is delayed, mysterious, invisible in the beginning. And for ancient humans, that delay may have made reproduction feel almost supernatural. For hundreds of thousands of years, humans lived in small tribes, tiny groups, usually between 20 and 50 people. There were no doctors, no written records, no understanding of anatomy. Most people probably died before the age of 30, and in that world, pregnancy must have seemed deeply mysterious. A woman could look completely normal one month, and months later be carrying another human inside her. Imagine seeing that without modern knowledge. No ultrasound, no biology class, no explanation. Just life appearing from inside another person. Anthropologists studying ancient cultures discovered something fascinating. Many early human societies did not actually believe that sex alone caused pregnancy. Some tribes believed spirits entered the womb. Others believed pregnancy came from the moon, rivers, dreams, or gods. Even in surprisingly recent history, some cultures thought a baby formed because of supernatural energy, not physical reproduction. And honestly, from their perspective, that idea made sense. Because reproduction is not obvious. Animals mate constantly. Not every woman becomes pregnant. Pregnancy takes months to appear. And early humans had no calendars to track time precisely. To them, the connection between sex and birth may have looked random. This is something modern humans rarely think about. You know how babies are made because someone explained it to you when you were young. But the first humans had nobody to explain it. Humanity had to discover reproduction entirely on its own. And that discovery probably happened very slowly. Not in one moment. Not with one genius caveman suddenly shouting, "I figured it out!" But through thousands of years of observation, humans began noticing patterns. Pregnancy happened more often after intimacy. Certain behaviors led to children. Older women stopped having babies. Animals behaved similarly. Slowly, generation after generation, the pattern became impossible to ignore. But even then, reproduction remained mysterious. Because sex is only part of the process. Pregnancy itself is dangerous. Modern hospitals make childbirth look controlled. But for ancient humans, birth was terrifying.